Hey guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. This passion twist hair is from the Nayu store on Amazon. It comes in this packaging and the hair is about $37 and it comes with this little card. A crochet hook and some hair jewelry and 8 packs of hair with 12 passion twists in each pack. They look like this and they have curly ends and the color of the hair is 1B. And this 18-inch hair seems pretty true to length. To be doing the individual crochet method, which may not be the best method for this hair because it is twists and it's going to be harder to hide my braid and twist than if it were locks or something like that. And I'm aware of that and I'm still going to do it. Another method you could do is just braiding your hair straight back and then crocheting the hair that way. And I've already braided my hair yesterday. To braid my hair, I use this Shine Jam on my roots, and I use this Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my braids and on that. So I'm about halfway done. I wanted to show you what I have so far and what it's looking like. And these twists aren't perfect or perfectly twisted by any means. They have their kinks, but they get the job done. So let me show you an example of how I do it. I take the braid down that I'm working on. So this braid is really skinny and thin, so it's going to be easier to put it into this twist. I insert the crochet hook. Then I hook on the twists. They're already pre-looped and they're easy to pull apart. And now I pull the braid and the twist through like so and just tighten it like that. Now I'm going to take my crochet hook and just go through the center of the twist, or try my best to, and then go all the way to the top and push the crochet hook through. Now I'm going to latch towards the middle or end of the braid and pull it through like so. And now I'm like twisting it just to make sure that as much of the braid is in it as possible and to tighten it. And so now it looks like that, and I'm just going to do that same thing with the rest of the braid that's left over. I'm just going to go down a little longer than the braid actually is, make my way up again, and I'm going to come out where the rest of the braid comes out. So pushing the crochet hook through there and then attaching it on the braid, pulling through, and it's in. But that braid was easier to do because, like I said, it's smaller. Some of the bigger braids are harder and you can see some of the braid through it, and I completely hidden within the twist. guys, so I'm finally done. I want to say it took about 5 hours to actually crochet the hair in, and the hair feels very light. I like the way it looks. Let me show you. And I have about 2 packs of hair left, so about 24 twists, and I had about 75 braids in my head, or well, twist to crochet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me, including locks, wigs, braids, any other hairstyles, or anything else. And thanks for watching.